There have been some theories lately about the Thousand Sunny possibly being Pluton. However, I do not think that Oda would do something without reason, and I don't think that the Sunny is Pluton. However, I do believe that the Sunny is based somewhat off the blueprints of the ancient weapon Pluton. Although Franky burned the blueprints for the Pluton duplicate, I still believe that in that short amount of time that he had, it would have been more than enough for him to memorize the blueprints. Right before Franky burned the blueprints, he flipped through very quickly to verify the authenticity of the blueprints, and in that short space of time that he did this, CP9 were able to tell that the blueprints were real by only seeing a mere glance of it. That being said, if the blueprints were so recognizable, it wouldn't be that hard for Franky to memorize them. Also, the Sunny is made from the last of Adam's wood, the strongest wood in existence. It's only fitting that the original Pluton was made from the same wood. The Gion cannon was already shown to be powerful enough to obliterate Jeevel's hideout, and that was pre-time skip, before Franky gained all of the technological knowledge from Vegapunk's laboratory. Now imagine the power of the upgraded Gion cannon. With Vegapunk's technology, it would almost resemble the power close to an ancient weapon. Another thing that is interesting to note is that Franky as a child was always building warships, and his dream was to build the ultimate ship and sail around the world on it. But his dream was not to make the ultimate weapon, it's to make the ultimate ship. This means that his dream ship is based off of durability, not destructive power. This actually proves that the Sunny is not Pluton but rather based off of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Comment if you want, subscribe and have an awesome day.